Hello, students. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of tenses in English grammar. Let's learn together. Tenses are grammatical concepts that indicate the timing of actions or events in a sentence. Now, let's learn the types of tenses. First is simple tense. This tense is straightforward. It tells us what happened, what is happening now, or what will happen. Simple present tense example. John consistently completes his assignments before the deadline. Simple past tense example. She completed her assignment before the deadline. Simple future tense example. By the time we arrive at the conference, the keynote speaker will have already begun addressing the audience. Then, continuous tense. This tense focuses on ongoing actions. Present continuous tense example. The construction workers are diligently laying the foundation for the new skyscraper that will redefine the city skyline. Past continuous tense example. While I was studying for my exams, my little sister was playing the piano loudly in the next room, creating a distracting environment. Future continuous tense example. By the time you arrive at the party, we will have been celebrating for 2 hours. Next is perfect tense. This tense shows actions that are complete relative to other times. Present perfect tense example. She has not only traveled to exotic destinations, but has also mastered several foreign languages, making her a truly cosmopolitan individual. Past perfect tense example. By the time the teacher arrived, the students had already completed their assignment. Future perfect tense example. Next year, our team will have completed a groundbreaking research project on renewable energy sources, revolutionizing the way we generate power. Lastly, we have perfect continuous tense. This tense highlights actions that are ongoing and also have a connection to other actions. Present perfect continuous tense example. I have been studying English for 5 years. Past perfect continuous tense. Example, you might say, she had been working at the company before she changed careers. Future perfect continuous tense example. By the time the clock strikes midnight, we will have been studying for 6 hours. Now it's your turn to answer. Which tense do you use to express an action that will be ongoing in the future? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 9 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.